Filtering your customers by registration date is a very convenient task, since with this information, you can determine your high traffic seasons as well as your low traffic ones. It can also help you think of strategies to increase your sales on slower days or to prepare with more products for the days when you have more new customers. Unfortunately, there is no option in WooCommerce to do this. That's why, in this video, we'll show you the solution to this. We will search for all customers by registration date using the WooCommerce Customer Spreadsheet plugin. It allows you to view, search, edit, import, and export all customer profiles. You can download the plugin from the link we have left in the description of this video. You will also find another link to visit our written tutorial. To search for customers that registered on a specific date, you must first open the search tool. Once the tool is open, select the customer role. Take the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Then, select the registration date field. Choose the operator starts with. Now, enter the date using this format. And click on Run Search. If you do not want to search for customers that registered on a specific date, but for all that registered during a date range, you can easily do this with the search tool. After you open the search tool, select the customer role. Then, check the Advanced Filters box. Select the record date field. Then choose the greater than or equal to operator. Enter the start date here. Now add a new filter. Select the same field, record date. Now, the operator we will select will be the less than or equal to operator. Enter the end date here. And run the search to filter all customers registered during the selected date range. The WooCommerce Customer Spreadsheet simplifies completely the way you manage your customer profiles. You don't have to check or edit customer profiles one by one because you'll have them all in a spreadsheet where you can do advanced searches and massive changes in seconds. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.